What if I told you I'm a better cryptocurrency trader than the block Jesus, Martin Gerraux, the 10-year veteran Bitcoin early adopter, analyst, the cryptocurrency trader of note, the most sought after cryptocurrency consultant on the planet, the genius Martin Gerraux, 10 years veteran in trading crypto professionally with trading analysis, EMAs, RSIs, blah, 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 blah. What if I told you I'm a better trader than these? You'd probably laugh, right? Fact of the matter is, you know, what Martin Gerraux has been delivering lately, well, for several months now, is about 2% a week. 2% profit a week for his private portfolio members and the syndicates that I am part of. In the beginning, he was giving us 20% a week, which isn't even that great either. But the fact is, it's passive income. And for most people, they're looking for a passive income opportunity where they give somebody else their money, just like you would do on this, you know, a stockbroker or a forex trader. But the self-proclaimed Bitcoin Jesus, the Nostradamus of crypto, the man who foretells the future and makes bold predictions about Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'm going to prove to you that I'm a better trader than Martin Gerraux. And I have about 3 months experience. 3 months compared to 10 years. Veteran. You won't believe me, will you? I'm amused to make this video, because whereas I may not be trading the big numbers that Martin is, if I was, I could probably give you a return of anything between 20 and 80% per week. And there's no secret to it. You too can learn how to make those profits, how to make that. Do it for yourself without exposing yourself to scammers and con men like Martin Gerraux. You can learn to do this for yourself. You will be shocked at what I'm going to show you and the ease of how to do this. Trust me, you are, like I said, you're going to be shocked. Martin Gerraux is a scammer. He is also a narcissist, psychopath, lying, manipulative, coward. Martin, if you're watching this video, I take you on. Let's do a trade-off, Martin. You do your technical analysis and I'll do my 3-month experience leverage trading. And we'll compare notes and numbers. You're a con, dude. Martin Gerraux, I know you watch my videos. It's what's pissing you off and getting your hair in a knot. You're watching my videos. Apparently you hate me, Martin. By the time I and we, all those people that you have scammed, are done with you, you're going to wish you never started your scamming endeavor from behind bars. And if indeed you are married, you're worthless as a man, because you're putting your family at risk with what you're doing. In fact, I can't understand how your wife sleeps with you at night, if you have one. Like everything else, Martin Gerraux, we don't know that the picture you're looking at, folks, I don't know that the picture you're looking at on your screen right now in this video is actually someone called Martin Gerraux. But I do know for a fact that the name Martin Gerraux has never been, there's no birth certificate registered in this name, the way he spells it, Martin Gerraux, Gerraux, has ever been registered in the USA or Canada since 1950. Martin Gerraux makes a lot of claims about who he is and what he is, but there is absolutely no evidence that he is who he says he is. There is no evidence that Martin Gerraux is a cryptocurrency trader, that he is a billionaire, that he owns homes in Sedona, Naples, and New York City in the USA, that he owns 2 aircraft, that he drives around in supercars. There is no evidence of it. Nothing at all. Martin Gerraux just keeps lying his way through. There's nothing professional about him at all. Watch my previous videos. You can see for yourself. Now, I know this is going to piss you off, Martin, because your measly less than 2% per week for the last several months in trading profits. Seriously, it's a joke. It's a joke. Now, if you are a subscriber to my YouTube channel and you've been following my videos, and or even if you're a newbie, you can go back and look at my past videos where I have maintained for more than 18 months that the best way for you to make money online in cryptocurrency is you have to learn to trade for yourself. And I went the route, or the route, shall I say, of wanting to learn how to trade like a technical analysis trader. And I was fortunate enough 3 months ago, it's about 2.5, 3 months ago, let's call it 90 days ago, I found this guy, Oracle, on YouTube. And I watched these videos and I was blown away at the simplicity of how he makes money online with crypto. And everything has changed for me in a big, big way. More than anything, I don't do giving my money to other people to trade for me. Martin Gerraux started off very well back in May last year, July, when I signed up in his private portfolio, gave him $5,000. And in the beginning, when he was my friend, obviously part of his manipulation, his lying manipulation, his scheming, scamming fucking mind, you know, I was his great buddy. I made videos and people signed up. People that had been following me, they signed up, and those people are now finding out, which I have been calling since August, well, wanting to call since August last year, that this guy is a scammer. If you don't know the background to the story, watch my other videos. I'm not going to go into it. Can't repeat myself all the time. There are a lot of people out here that, or out there that support Martin Gerraux. And I have to question why you would give money to Martin Gerraux that doesn't deliver on his promises, doesn't deliver on what he says, lies, cheats, thieves, manipulates, and basically just discards of people that support him. Now, I don't have a vendetta with Martin Gerraux. Quite frankly, I could give a fuck if he lives or breathes. You know, there's a saying in South Africa, well, maybe it's worldwide. If he was on fire in the middle of the street, I wouldn't walk over there and piss on his body. I wouldn't. You're despicable, man. You're a disgusting human being taking advantage of people that trust you. I hate that. I really frickin' hate that. And most reasonable, decent human beings do as well. But you're one of those psychopaths, those narcissists. No empathy, no sympathy for the people you scam. And you're always right, aren't you, Martin Gerraux? And he does these webinars where he uses technical analysis, words, and makes it seem so difficult to trade for yourself. Well, folks, I'm going to show you it isn't. And below this video, there will be links to the Oracle method of leverage trading cryptocurrency like I am doing. And like everything in life, the more you do it, the better you become at it. And I'm going to show you that I'm getting pretty good at it after about, I'd say 2 to 3 months. And every day gets better. Yesterday I did 11 or 12 trades and I made really good money. And let me show you. Oh, before we go there, Susan Bayerly, founding member in our Martin Gerraux MG Group Exposure Facebook page, posted 19 hours ago, Martin is bragging about his earnings in the last few weeks. I remember my weekly returns when I was earning 20%, 18%, 17%, 15%, etc. Now that was something to brag about, and definitely. You know what? If we were averaging 10% a week, I'd still be in it. A lot of water has gone under the bridge since me and Martin first met each other. If you don't know what happened, watch my previous videos. The crazy thing is, what Susan says here, is that the market is much better over the last few weeks, or the last few weeks. And you're getting what percentage? Maybe 1 to 3%? Ouch. Oh, the anger emojis there, Susan. Oh, and the latest is you have to pay Martin now to get your money. The audacity and arrogance of this frickin' psychopath, narcissist, scamming bastard is unbelievable. It's unbelievable. See my previous video on what Paul Stracodine has to say. And come to our Facebook group and learn about all these other people that have been fucked over by Martin Gerraux. Carol Stracodine, the wife of Paul Stracodine, 22 hours ago. I'm going to remember this date. 8th of the 1st, 20. This is the date I said, fuck you. Or FY in a nice way. I'm done with this nonsense. For too long I have known this was coming. Probably like a lot of people, I held on, hoping it would continue just a little bit longer. It felt like a trap with hot water on the stove. It got hotter and hotter. Finally, I've jumped out of the pot. I'm so free from his narcissistic little man bullshit. You're right, Susan. He is a little man. After communicating and asking for my funds in 48 hours, I have been banned from the Telegram group. Oh, that's happened to 40 or so more people I know. So what will I do with my time now that I don't have to read the bullshit channel? They, members and Martin Gerraux, know the game. They know what's going on. They say what he wants them to say, so the newbies continue to pay up and happily accept ridiculous payouts. Initially. Here's the thing with Martin Gerraux. Through his intimidation and his nice guy persona and paying out huge profits in the beginning, he gets more people calling me scam. He makes believers out of people that know deep down that where there's smoke, there's fire. And effectively, if they continue to get people in to Martin Gerraux's scam, they are aiding and abetting a criminal. So Carol says, the gloves are off and I've already been in contact with people who are so ready to help me. I'm thankful for Richard's direction advice. That's Richard C. He is the founder of this Facebook group. I can't wait for what I've heard is happening soon. The funny thing is, I actually just got a call from the FBI. They want me to give a statement. I told them I'd give it time to follow proper protocol. From the sound of my interactions with customer service today, that may not be necessary. When she's talking about customer service, she's talking about Martin Gerraux's customer service. I am writing this knowing full well that some snitch will turn this over to the scumbag, Martin Gerraux, and he will no doubt bring my name up in one of these webinars. He'll probably bring up the fact that way back to the time when he cut us off for security purposes, he gave me $7,000. I guess I used to be his special friend of his. Now that I ask him to follow his contract, I'm a nobody. But wait, if I pay his hostage fee of over 11,000, I get my funds out, right? That's a 15% fee thing that he just sprung on everybody that is backdated to back in July. Watch my previous video. The precedent was set on that fee way back in May and June last year. As some background, I've been with Martin Gerraux since June 2019. I participated in the Tampa event. Yes, I paid $1,000. Then participated in the Maryland event. I drove 11 hours to hotel rooms, etc. and every recorded promise from the crypto master. She's so sarcastic, isn't she? We would be very, very happy. I received nothing. I'm so looking forward to showing him what he deserves. It includes a small room with bars and other friendly guys showing their love and appreciation on a daily basis. I've heard they really like Batman roleplay. Oh my God. Unbelievable. And we have Clint Kern. When BTC goes up 10% in a week's time and your payouts from MG, Martin Gerraux, are only 1 to 3%, there are only two possibilities that I can think of that would cause that situation. A, your asset manager is terrible at trading. Or B, now, before I get into B, Derek, am terrible at trading. Okay? But Martin he cannot compete with my profits, my wins. So B, he's stealing your profits off the top and throwing you the change left over. And now, after all of the shaving that he has done off the top, he decided to claim he hasn't taken anything the whole time. Ha! I'm not sure if I've heard a pile of malarkey jive that big since my parents told me there was a guy named Santa. Well, we'll get back to Clint. Let me show you what I have been doing in terms of using the Oracle leverage trading 1 minute or war on the 1 minute chart. Now, I'm new to this, but as I've said, with practice, anybody can do this. Leverage trading. Usually when people, including myself, when I first heard of leverage trading, I was like, I was seeing things on YouTube by guys who were doing leverage trading on BitMEX, and I was like, there's no frickin' way I'm doing that, because it is very risky, or it looked very risky. But let's look at some numbers here. Leverage trading on Bit7 using the war on the 1 minute chart Oracle method. I am a newbie trader, and I am comparing my results to a 10-year veteran guru cryptocurrency trader who has been giving for the last several months 1 to 3% profit to his clients per week. I did 11 trades yesterday. 11 at 100x leverage, 100x leverage, 100x leverage, 100x leverage. There's a methodology here that you cut your leverage if the trade goes the wrong way. But consistently, you can stop yourself from being liquidated by following Oracle's methodology. And guys, if I can do this, you can do this. Anybody can do this. The links to Oracle's methods will be below. If you want to learn how to do this, there will be an explainer below this video that you can do this for yourself. Okay? So if you look here, leverage, you see my classification: sell, 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 market, 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 selling at market, All right? You see that there? That's the type of deal. The up is a long, buying when the price is going up, and down is buying when the prices are going down. Yes, you can make money both ways simultaneously on bit 7. You're trading at 100x leverage. So in other words, if you're trading $1,000 at a time, and I need to make you aware of the fact that I am not trading more than 10% of my total balance. So if I've got $100 in my wallet to trade on bit 7, I'm trading $100 at a time. What you need to understand is that if you're able to put in 10,000 or 100,000, it's all about the zeros at the end of your profit. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 trades. Let's take the top one out. So 15 trades. Down and up trades. Right? Totally 100% in my control. Top one is not included. It was only 1x leverage. Second trade, 21.2. Third trade, or first trade, 21.2. Second trade, 31.67. Fourth trade, 32.26. Next, 30.45. 15.08. 32.59. For full transparency, you need to make 15% minimum profit to cover your fees on a 100x leverage trade. So you see my leverage has been cut down to 23.89 on this particular trade. I made 15%. So I basically took about 40 to 50% profit on a 15% return on that trade. 32.59%, 7.90%. You can see that it dropped to a 50x leverage. 32.81%, 30.73%, 15.96%. Lost this trade, 75% at 67%, at 67 leverage. I lost this because I can't remember. I think it's not important. I don't win them all. But if I can win 9 out of, let's keep on going here. 2.89%, 13.56, 29.03, 19.37. And it just goes on. Here's a 100% profit, 34.92, 25.25, 30.20, 41.16, 15.74, 29.27, 48.08, 27.40, 26.49. Let me take you over here. Oh, this goes on. Goes on and on and on and on. I have several 100%, but my average is around 30%. Okay. And sell, 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 sell. Profit auto sell. Sell, 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 sell. Loss auto sell. Sell, sell, sell. Loss auto sell. Loss auto sell. Profit auto sell. Sell, sell, sell. Profit auto sell. Loss auto sell. Loss auto sell. So you can see I've got about a 99% average on winning trades compared to Mr. Martin Gerraux, the guru on cryptocurrency trading. The Nostradamus on predictions of the price of crypto. The most sought after cryptocurrency analyst on the planet versus me, a 3-month newbie, trading crypto for myself, taking the losses for myself, trading when I want to, when I'm up to it. When the markets show me the way that Oracle teaches you how to trade this way, the markets show me which direction and what strategy I follow for my trading session. I never have to worry about not getting paid. I never have to have anxiety about bullshit from Martin Gerraux or anybody else for that matter. All I have to deal with is my own emotions. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you and your family wherever you may be. Cheers.